difficult to distinguish. Concurrent dengue and influenza can also happen. Yeah, co-infection can also occur. Like we have a runny nose, sore throat with dengue as well. So be aware of the possibility of hidden co-infection. If we talk about influenza, अगर हम influenza की बात करें, common flu की बात करें, we have rhinorrhea, cough, sore throat, and dyspnea. Dyspnea means tightness in chest or cough. We can use a term for tightness in chest. We can use a term for that dyspnea. Dyspnea means tightness in chest or cough. We have ear hunger, difficult breathing, or feeling of suffocation. So these symptoms are reported significantly in influenza than those in dengue. Significantly, in influenza, we have a lower frequency of headache, muscle pain, means malaise, stomach pain, abdominal pain, and rashes. अगर हम डेंगू की बात करें, so in dengue patients, we have higher incidence of leukopenia, marked thrombocytopenia, and GI bleeding, in addition to lower incidence of pneumonia. Leukopenia means we have a lower number of WBCs in blood, while thrombocytopenia means decreased number of platelets in blood. So, absence of rashes, no leukopenia, no marked thrombocytopenia, they are the predictive key factors, they are the key points that easily distinguish influenza from dengue. Okay? So now we find out the predictive key features that respiratory tract infections like cough, rhinorrhea, sore throat, they are more prevalent in influenza, while non-respiratory tract symptoms like rashes, headache, abdominal pain, muscle pain, stomach pain, joint pain, orbital pain, they were less in influenza than dengue. Okay? Basically होता क्या है in influenza, in common flu, वायरस जो है वो हमारे respiratory tract के epithelial cells को infect करता है. It damages our epithelial cells of respiratory tract. That causes upper respiratory tract symptoms like cough, rhinorrhea, sore throat. Okay, now what happened? Damage to that infected cells, they results in release of inflammatory mediators that lead to systemic symptoms, including fever, headache, joint pain, malaise, muscle pain, myalgia, that are similar to that dengue. Okay, so early detection of influenza and dengue is especially important because influenza may be prevented through proper isolation and treated using drugs. But अगर dengue की timely diagnosis ना हो, if there is a failure in making a timely diagnosis of dengue with adequate fluid replacement, so it can lead to severe dengue stage. Yeah, that can lead to death as well.